Hello students, welcome to my channel Science English No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, today's video is also going to be very informative and very useful. So please watch the video till end and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to motivate and support me so as to bring you far more useful and far more informative videos in future as well. So my dear students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So, my dear students, as you know very well that we have started a series of MCQs. So, today's the chapter which we have taken is atoms and molecules, and today's video is going to be the fourth video of this chapter. So, video is going to be very informative. So, please watch the video till end. The first question which we have taken is an ionic compound will be formed by the combination of one of the following pairs of elements. This pair of elements is, first option is chlorine and calcium, B is calcium and sodium, C is sulfur and carbon, and D is chlorine and chlorine. So my dear students, always remember that ionic compounds are formed between metal and non-metal atom. So in first option we have chlorine. Chlorine is non-metal and calcium is metal. So actually by the combination of this pair of elements, ionic compound will be formed. So A is the correct option because ionic compounds are formed between metal atom and non-metal atom. So first is a correct option. Question number 2, molecular compounds are usually formed by the combination of, first option is a metal and a non-metal, B is two different non-metals, C is two different metals, and D is any two gaseous elements. So my dear students, molecular compounds, these are also called covalent compounds, and please remember that covalent compounds are formed between two different non-metals, or maybe two same metals, same non-metals. So always remember that in molecular compounds actually metals do not take part. So B is the correct option. Question number 3, the formula of a compound is X3Y. The valencies of elements X and Y will be respectively, first option is 1 and 3, B is 3 and 1, C is 2 and 3, and D is 3 and 2. So my dear students, always remember that when we write a chemical formula of a compound, then we exchange the valencies of the elements involved in that chemical formula. So here also now we will exchange the valencies of these two elements, and that will be the valencies of the elements involved. So actually here valency of X is 3, so it will be the valency of Y, and valency of Y is 1, so that will be valency of X. So valency of X is equal to 1 and valency of Y is equal to 3. So 1 and 3. So A is the correct option. Now my dear students, we have next question. Question number 4. The formula of sulfate of an element X is X2SO4 3. The formula of nitride of element X will be, first option is X2N, second is XN2, third is Xn, and D is X2N3. So my dear students, here what is the valency of X? Valency of X element is 3. Valency of X element is 3. 2 is the valency of this sulfate group of elements, and X 3 is the valency of X, and valency of nitrogen atom is 3. Now when we will write formula of compound Xn, then how we will write the formula? Valency of X will become the valency of N, and valency of N will become the valency of X. So while exchanging valencies of elements involved, we will actually write we write the formula, chemical formula of that compound. So X3 and 3 is actually the given compound, nitride of X. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled and you will get Xn. So nitride of X, formula of nitride of X is Xn. So C is the correct option. Question number 5. Which of the following pair of elements represents a mole ratio of 1:1? First option is 10 gram of calcium and 12 gram of magnesium. B is 12 gram of magnesium and 6 gram of carbon. C is 12 gram of carbon and 20 gram of calcium. D is 20 gram of sodium and 20 gram of calcium. So my dear students, here the correct option is actually C, because 12 gram of carbon is equal to 1 mole and 20 gram of calcium is also equal to 1 mole. So when you will divide this, you will get ratio 1:1. So C is the correct option. Question number 6. If 32 gram of sulfur has X atoms, then number of atoms in 32 gram of oxygen will be. Now my dear students, you must know that 32 gram of sulfur has also equal to has also 1 mole of sulfur atom, or we can say that 32 gram of sulfur is equal to 1 mole, or this is also given that 32 gram of sulfur has X atom. So actually 1 mole is equal to X, and we know that 16 gram of oxygen is also equal to 1 mole. So which is equal to X, because 1 mole is equal to X. Now 32 gram of oxygen, 32 gram of oxygen will be equal to 2 moles, or this will be equal to 2X. So B is the correct option. So this is all, my dear student, this is all for today. So I think that the question which we have discussed in this video, you understood them all very well. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching our channel, keep learning and keep growing. Good luck.